DJI Osmo Pocket accessories are hard to come by in Manila, and even if you run into one, most stores are selling it at a premium for $20 to $30 more than the suggested retail price. Lucky for me though, I was able to see something at the Singapore Changi Airport duty-free shop and I grabbed it right away. Here's my unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit. Hi there everyone, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit. So, I passed by the Singapore Changi Airport for a short layover on my trip here in Vietnam. And I was able to see something in one of the duty-free shops there. So it's the DJI Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit. So this is hard to come by in Metro Manila. And even if you see one, most of the shops in Metro Manila are selling this for about $40 to $50 more than the actual price of DJI. So I was lucky that I was able to see something in Sprintcast, PTE Limited. It's a duty-free shop in the transit area in Singapore Changi Airport Terminal 2. So without further ado, let's take a look at what's inside. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit box, and as you can see, the price is $149. That's Singapore dollars, and I got this in the Sprintcast PT Limited duty-free shop inside the transit area at Terminal 2 of Singapore Changi Airport. So in Manila, this actually sells for 7,300 pesos in most of the camera shops and in the DJI shop as well. So it's pretty expensive. It's actually $40 US more expensive than what should be. Aside from the 3 accessories, I get the user guide for the controller wheel, the wireless module, and the accessory mount, and I have a free 32GB Samsung micro SD card. Cool. First item in the expansion kit is the accessory mount, in which I can put my DJI Osmo Pocket, and we have a connector here which is the same as the GoPro. So I can use the various accessories, the various mounts, and various poles that I already have for my GoPro for this one. So that's neat. Next one is the controller wheel. So this is good so that I have tactile control of the camera instead of having to touch the screen, which it's actually very hard to do. And this is also nifty so that I can have full control or semi-full control of the camera of the Osmo Pocket without having to connect to my phone, which is pretty useful in some instances. And the last accessory is the wireless module. I can connect this under the DJI Osmo Pocket, and from there I can connect the Osmo Pocket to my camera and other devices via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And that's my quick unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit. Please click like and subscribe and tune in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace.